The top 3 uses of doTERRA's dill essential oil are aromatic, so breathing it in, topically, so if you can point to it, you can put it there. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to be talking about doTERRA's dill essential oil and its many benefits and uses. With an herbaceous flavor and a variety of health benefits, dill essential oil is one of the most ideal household oils. In the kitchen, dill's sweet savor can be used in a variety of dishes to improve the taste of salads, potatoes, curry, vegetables, and rice. Dill can also be used internally to support digestion and overall gastrointestinal health while providing important antioxidants to the body. Dill's powerful internal benefits can help to purify the body's systems as well. When used aromatically, dill emits a fresh, grassy scent that can help lessen stress and anxious feelings. The top 3 uses of doTERRA's dill essential oil are aromatic, so breathing it in, topically, so if you can point to it, you can put it there, and then internally. The main benefits of dill are that it supports digestion and gastrointestinal health, flavors food, and promotes a restful sleep. The directions for use are diffusing 3 drops of this dill with 3 drops of lemon and 3 drops of bergamot to lessen anxious feelings and reduce stress. You can also add 1 drop per 1 tablespoon of fresh dill in marinades, soups, salads, and to preserve garden vegetables. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I'll see you in the next video.